right, everybody, I greatly appreciate you tuning in to my channel. I'm BJ from the 478, and today I want to show you how to actually fix your 8.4 inch Uconnect radio either in your Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram. The issue with this is the touchscreen intermits and it ghost touches and all that, and you see this actual discolor here. That's where the glue is separating from the actual digitizer. And today we're going to actually not change the digitizer because that digitizer makes an absolutely mess. It's got glue. You want to save some time, and we're going to do this in under 10 minutes. So what I want to show you exactly how I've already disassembled and taken it out of the vehicle, as you can see. So it's in my hands, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pop up these little pieces right here, undo those. Once you do that, I already pre-disassembled the screws in the back. There should be 6 of those in here. You will need a drill with a Phillips head on it. Once you do that, do not open Pandora's box. You do not have to take this back piece out, people. Okay, so in saying that, just ease this piece open here, which I've already done. That screen is actually gonna come out right there. So all you do, undo the ribbon cable. Once you undo the ribbon cable, you're gonna undo the ribbon cable here as well. Screen's out. You can fix this and resell this later date, you know what I'm saying? But the glue that's in it, you can change this screen out. You can get them on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Change it out, and then you got a whole nother LCD screen to actually sell to someone. So let's set that to the side. Put that right here. Try not to break this temperature. This little cable right here, this reads the temperature outside and adjust it accordingly. So it's a thermal sensor or something like that. That glue will make an absolute mess. So this is the part. This is the part number. You can order this on Amazon. It's right around 219 bucks. 219 bucks will have you in and out of here in a jiffy. When I say a jiffy, it comes in here just like this. Bam, brand new. So what we're gonna do, lift this back in, that back in the plate. Might want to take that. I might want to get this what you call it off first. Put that back here. I want to peel this off because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it. Bam. I'm left-handed, so a lot of times anything being done coinciding that is just a nightmare for me. Just make sure I don't have any of that glue in here. So make sure all these ribbon cables are pretty much smooth. I'll pull this one back out. I just want to make sure I don't have any excess glue on it. Alright, so ribbon cable. like so. Like so. Looks new to me, huh? I'm gonna put these screws back in here. You don't have to over tighten these. Just make sure they're snug. What you don't want to do is strip the head out of your neck. I know ways to get them out, but if you're doing it yourself, you might have an issue on that. That's it. Radio's done. You can time it. I think I did it like 6 minutes in your face. You know what I'm saying? So the hardest part is, like I said, is taking it out of the vehicle. Now you have a brand new digitizer, a brand new LCD screen. And what they're saying, people, is this screen right here actually, and let me give you the part number one more time. And you can order it on Amazon. It is $219. And they're saying that this thing is supposed to actually show better than the actual factory one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it back up into this vehicle, and then I'll show you exactly what goes on and make sure everything works. And we'll get a sneak peek of that. Hang on. Okay, finally reinstalled this actually back into the vehicle. So let's go ahead and start it. Once you plug everything back up, like I said, the hardest part in this whole process is unplugging the radio and getting the dash actually off. But now I just want to show you how well the screen shows, and it takes you under 15 minutes to install it from start to finish. So you just undo those front bolts, and as you can see, the actual TFT screen, actually, they're saying it's supposed to look absolutely better, which it does. It's got a deeper shine to it. The back is a little bit darker. The actual numbers are a little bit crisper than the factory, and like I said, if you just notice the attention to detail, that thing looks good and it responds just as quick as anything else. I don't want to play any sound because I'm monetized, so I don't want to go through that. But yeah, all the functions still work. Touch screen and all that good stuff is on point. There's no delay into the touch screen. And like I said, people, this thing right here actually only costs you $219, and you can fix your vehicle under 15 minutes. I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. I'm BJ from 478. You need anything, you have any questions, you want to know, or you want to contract me to do this job, please reach out. Thank you.